So it's actually really chilly outside, so I thought today would be the perfect day to make chili. Usually I make your regular chili, the one that we make every Halloween, anytime it's fall, anytime I'm basically craving cornbread, let's be honest. But today I wanted to make a vegetarian version, and this is the one I've been making recently. We've got a pescatarian in the family, and we've been trying to eat more plant-based anyway. So this version is the one that we've been loving lately. It's delicious. You would not miss the meat whatsoever. It's so cozy, so let's get started. We start by building a base of flavors for the dish, so that means onions and garlic and lots of mushrooms. Cook it in some olive oil until the onions and mushrooms have wilted. Add the cumin, paprika, cayenne pepper, and oregano, and some tomato paste. Diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, celery, and just a touch of sugar. Now it's time for beans. I like to use a combination of beans, but make sure you rinse the beans well. Add it to the pot and let it simmer. I like to use an immersion blender to give it a little bit of texture. And then that's it. It's time to eat. Don't forget the garnishes, those are the best part, and then it's ready to serve. Since there's no meat in this chili, it really does cook quickly, but like any good chili, time is your friend, so the longer you cook it, the better it tastes. I hope you enjoyed making chili today. Now the best part about this recipe is that it's pretty versatile. You can make it the night before and it actually tastes better the next day, or you can make it in the morning, leave it in the slow cooker and let it all come together so that you have something warm and cozy to eat at the end of the day. I have all the directions on the website, so visit kitchenconfidante.com for the full recipe, and I will see you next time. Bye!